In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a knowledge Amazon book interior. First of all, you go to Amazon website and search your which book your niche. First of all, I think my first ABC book. Here you search result 1000 and you go to best reviews in book. First of all, you 2K review and 203 and go to 2013 and published 2015. Here 2020 41 use here you click paperback and best review books 2020 customer reviews up. Okay, here you go to this book and you click here reviews, see customer reviews and you go down below and it will show some images and videos. Yeah, exactly. Customer review, interior ideas. You make your interior ideas here to show another picture. Just wait. Networking problem. Just wait for a second. Wait a few minutes. Yeah. Here you show this interior design really well. This is interior premium book. Yeah, premium book. This is not white and black. Really well designed. Illustration and some. You look this really well. And some story edit. Click right side and you find some videos. No videos, only picture. Just you show this interior and generate your idea. Sometimes you looking inside feature, look inside, click here and yeah, this is first page maybe, and this is first page, second page and third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 shown 11 page, really good. Well, only showing 20% maybe show Just generate this idea what looking inside, how it is good, but really well. Looking inside just shows and ratings, follow these ratings, customer, video, most recent picture. This is customer review, seal photos. Here you generate your idea what is interior, but you don't copy to another person. You terminate your book permanently and account gone forever. Making idea, but don't copy anyone. So you go to other books, 103 5-star review, go top reviews. Yeah, you go to customer review picture. Not sure. See more reviews, top critical reviews. Read more. Just looking inside. Look inside picture. Look inside picture not available. Sticker book. Full reviews. 2 reviews, 1 reviews. ABC double 5 bestseller. Here you're showing reviews image. First of all, you go to upper and look inside, click look inside picture, and really fast 20% showing book. Customer decide to purchasing on 20% first page, second page, or third page. Not 20% showing customer decide to purchase. Really well, really well. Good illustration and good, but hair cutting wrong problem. Customer review is really bad. Just one image, share customer, 2 images or not. Just you go to this book, 52,000. Wow, really well this book. And just you click look inside, generate your idea what is under this book. Really premium book, Sell is really well, really well. Author Crystal Radke, real bestseller author and New York. You go to review, click ratings, and click here to picture, show all photos. Here customer share all photos. You look this picture and generate your idea what is inside. Don't copy, you just you show all picture, don't copy others, generate your idea here what is shown picture, perfect, customer reviews. Really well this book, and your generate idea here more helpful idea, customer review well. my my network little bit slow, don't showing picture, but here is show picture. Oh, slowly just okay, you generate your idea on Amazon, enter your idea. If you like my video, please like, comment and share your opinion. I will reply your comment obviously. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.